Hey guys, this is Legendary coming out to live on my time. It is nighttime where I'm at. Well, almost. So I'm playing in the dark with two friends of mine, Eagle Eyes Radar and Major Gaming, aka Hawko Angel. And plus, sometimes I may do funny stuff, but aka, as everybody else would like to call it, Boeing. So, guess what? I got something for you. Screw you. I hear a tape. Well, I hear echoing in someone's mic. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know. I hear it, do you? I hear it's over here somewhere. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go. Well, guys, this is the first horror game I have uploaded. I mean, I played it before. I don't know what to expect, but we never beaten the game, and hopefully we can beat the game. Yeah, guys, I'm going ahead and saying this. Turn down your volume right now. Okay, go ahead and say. This is a game for you. Okay, well, okay, enough talking about our channel. Let's go ahead and let's do this. What's scary about this is I turn off my lights and I turn off my volume. Oh god, I'm stuck! Oh god! Oh, I got stuck and I got scared. I hear it. No, never mind, that's just the water. If your channel's like mine, I'm stuck. Where'd y'all go? I know, me too. I like glitched out. Okay, no, let's go. Oh, I think they saw it. You know, I'm so scared right now that I have to pee. They can hear y'all, hopefully. Run for your life! Run for your life! Run for your life! He got me pinned! He got me pinned! He got me pinned! He got me pinned down! 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 One, just one.